What is this?
This is a book.
Is this your pen?
This is my pen.
Does this phone work?
This phone works well.
Is this a red apple?
This is a red apple.
Does this bus stop here?
This bus stops here.
Does this dog bark?
This dog barks loudly.
Does this chair belong to you?
This chair belongs to me.
Is this a new dress?
This is a new dress.
Does this road lead to the market?
This road leads to the market.
Does this shop sell toys?
This shop sells toys.
Is this a gold ring?
This is a gold ring.
Does this plant need water?
This plant needs water.
Is this your house?
This is my house.
Does this car run fast?
This car runs fast.
Is this your school?
This is my school.
Does this clock work?
This clock works fine.
Is this a mango tree?
This is a mango tree.
Does this table have 4 legs?
This table has 4 legs.
Is this a beautiful painting?
This is a beautiful painting.
Does this fan make noise?
This fan makes noise.
Does this key open the door?
This key opens a door.
Is this your water bottle?
This is my water bottle.
Does this bell ring at noon?
This bell rings at noon.
Is this an expensive watch?
This is an expensive watch.
Does this train go to Delhi?
This train goes to Delhi.
Does this flower smell good?
This flower smells good.
Is this your bicycle?
This is my bicycle.
Does this light work?
This light works properly.
Is this a soft pillow?
This is a soft pillow.
Does this computer turn on?
This computer turns on quickly.
Is this an interesting book?
This is an interesting book.
Does this cat sleep all day?
This cat sleeps all day.
Is this your favorite song?
This is my favorite song.
Does this shop open early?
This shop opens early.
Is this your drawing?
This is my drawing.
Does this chair feel comfortable?
This chair feels comfortable.
Is this a heavy box?
This is a heavy box.
Does this phone have a good camera?
This phone has a good camera.
Is this your favorite color?
This is my favorite color.
Does this bird sing beautifully?
This bird sings beautifully.
Is this a cold drink? Does this road lead to the temple?
This is a cold drink. This road leads to the temple.
Is this your mobile?
This is my mobile.
Does this fish swim fast?
This fish swims fast.
Is this a bright star?
This is a bright star.
Does this building look old?
This building looks old.
Is this a famous place?
This is a famous place.
Does this room have an air conditioner?
This room has an air conditioner.
Is this your notebook?
This is my notebook.
Does this jacket keep you warm?
This jacket keeps me warm.
Is that a tall building?
That is a tall building.
Does that train arrive on time?
That train arrives on time.
Is that a new mobile?
That is a new mobile.
Does that boy study well?
That boy studies well.
Is that your bag?
That is my bag.
Does that house look old?
That house looks old.
Is that a big tree?
That is a big tree.
Does that car belong to you?
That car belongs to me.
Is that your book?
That is my book.
Does that river flow fast?
That river flows fast.
Is that a tasty dish?
That is a tasty dish.
Does that door creak?
That door creaks at night.
Is that your favorite place?
That is my favorite place.
Does that bus go to Mumbai?
That bus goes to Mumbai.
Is that a cold drink?
That is a cold drink.
Does that teacher teach well?
That teacher teaches well.
Is that a red rose?
That is a red rose.
Does that bird fly high?
That bird flies high.
Is that a famous temple?
That is a famous temple.
Does that chair look old?
That chair looks old.
Is that your water bottle?
That is my water bottle.
Does that clock work properly?
That clock works properly.
Is that your best friend?
That is my best friend.
Does that bell ring at noon?
That bell rings at noon.
Is that a blue car?
That is a blue car.
Does that phone have a good battery?
That phone has a good battery.
Is that a soft pillow?
That is a soft pillow.
Does that boy play football?
That boy plays football.
Is that a tall mountain?
That is a tall mountain.
Does that dog like milk?
That dog likes milk.
Is that your new laptop?
That is my new laptop.
Does that tree give shade?
That tree gives shade.
Is that your handwriting?
That is my handwriting.
Does that market have fresh vegetables?
That market has fresh vegetables.
Is that an expensive watch?
That is an expensive watch.
Does that baby cry a lot?
That baby cries a lot.
Is that your home?
That is my home.
Does that road go to the airport?
That road goes to the airport.
Is that your favorite dish?
That is my favorite dish.
Is that a good school?
That is a good school.
Does that computer work well?
That computer works well.
Is that a new camera?
That is a new camera.
Does that light turn on?
That light turns on automatically.
Is that your bicycle?
That is my bicycle.
Does that radio play music?
That radio plays music.
Is that a smart idea?
That is a smart idea.